The difference of treatment in the power rates of Meralco and electric cooperative, there is a setting rules approved by the ERC. Private because they are in business, so performance-based regulation yung sa kanila. Ibig sabihin, pinoproject nila yung escalation of prices in the future. They will prove it to the ERC and it will be considered on the formula of the rates. Plus, there is a margin of profit because it's a business in the component of the rates. Compared to electric cooperative, it is cash expense. Ang basihan ng electric co-op, you file it before the ERC through RSIC-WR. Titingnan ng ERC yung ginastos mo. Then ito lang yung i-recover. Walang margin of profit because it is an unstock non-profit. So you will just prove it to the ERC that these are the expense of the electric cooperative in its whole operation. So that's the difference. Now, another difference of the two, where there are some cases that Meralco is more cheap than electric cooperatives in terms of location. Now, because of economy of scale, that in Meralco, it's how many thousands of megawatt. Yung linya mo na 3 linya lang, ang dami nang nagkonsumo dyan. So, when it comes to systems loss, ang ruling ng ERC, mababa yung systems loss in highly density ang consumers. Dahil yung linya mo hindi ganun kahaba, marami nagkonsumo. So yung systems loss niya dyan, liliit mathematically, di ba? Sa probinsya, ang haba ng linya mo, abot ka ng 10 kilometers. And there are only 20 to 30 consumers. So yung systems loss niya, ang mga voltage drop out, malaki yun. Economy of scale yun. So pag-compute ng ERC niyan, Meralco is mandated to reduce its systems loss by now by 5.5. While other electric cooperatives that are located in far-flung areas, they're allowed to 12, 10.25. It is clustered. Merong 8.5 yung nasa mga cities na electric cooperative. Now, anong impact doon sa rates? Siyempre, pag systems loss times 5.5, mababa yung Meralco. Doon naman sa province, systems loss mo times 10.25, lalaki yun. Ganon yun siya. Pagdating naman sa CAPEX, capital expenditures, dahil maraming magbabayad ng CAPEX application ng Meralco sa dami ng consumer niya. Sample lang, CAPEX is 300 billion. Paid by how many thousands of consumer per kilowatt hour? Liliit yung provision ng REPC sa rates. Di ba? So, pagdating sa probinsya ngayon, maglilinya ka, kunti lang yung tao. Then, comparison, 300 million, and you have only 55 consumers paying that, and the consumption of 55 is 100 lang, 150, while dito, isang mall, like, MOA, that's almost 50 to 60 megawatt. Yung multiplier dyan is per megawatt. So, liliit yung babayaran in terms of CAPEX. Kaya makikita mo, medyo mura pag malaki ka. Another thing, yung lifeline rates. Kasi may lifeline rates provision, extended now into another 30 to 50 years yata as approved by Congress. Yun yung din tinanong ko na, magkaiba ba yung mahirap sa Manila at mahirap sa probinsya? Why? Yung competition ng ERC dyan, yung lifeline rates dito sa Meralco, 100 kilowatt hour. Ibig sabihin ko, nag-consume ka ng 100 kilowatt hour pababa, discounted ka. Pagdating sa probinsya, 35 lang. May 35, may 45, depende. Dahil yung competition nila doon sa poverty index, magkaiba. Which hindi rin maintindihan ng mga tao yun. So dito sa Manila, kung nag-consume ka ng 100 kilowatt hour below, mas mura yung babayaran mo dahil discounted ka. Pagdating sa probinsya, hindi yan discounted unless 35 kilowatt hour yung consumption mo. Sa bagay, kung i-compute mo talaga yung poverty index, kung kikita ka ng 20,000 sa Manila at kikita ka sa province ng 20,000, the same amount, pero when you use it to buy, kunti lang yung 20,000 sa Manila compared doon. So, pag nalagay yan sa component ng rates ngayon, bababa talaga dito. And I think, pwede pa yung mapababa because of the economy of scale. Yun yung kaibahan. Kaya nga, it would be unfair na kung mag-present ka, sometimes nga doon sa Congress, may mag-present, bakit mahal ito? Bakit ito mura? Ito po yung i-consider mo in the summation of computing the rates. Yun yung kaibahan ng private distribution utility as sa co-op. Then yung sa co-op, pag mayroong other revenue, 50% yan solely mo sa consumer. Dahil non-stop ng profit ka ba? Ganun pa.